Okay. Live has been started. Yes. Able to hear me, guys? I'll just update in the Telegram also. Okay. Okay. Chef, are you able to hear me? Okay, it's still taking time to stream the thing. Okay, people on LinkedIn, are you all there with me? Let me check in LinkedIn also. Hmm. Okay, still people are joining, so we will see. Okay, able to hear me, guys? Chef is there. Drive backup, not yet. Are okay? People are slowly joining. We will wait. Able to hear me, guys? Okay, now you are able to hear. Okay, now people are joining slowly. Yes or no in the comment section, please. If you are able to hear me, let me know. Okay, great. You are able to hear, right? Manimala and Safe Drive. I think now we are live. What about people on LinkedIn? Are you able to hear? Let's see. Okay, so okay, today is elections. I think that is the reason people are very less here. But yeah, I think people are slowly joining. Yes. Abdullah, hi, great. Thanks for joining. Thanks a lot for joining, guys. Okay, so we will wait for some more time, at least for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we will start. So, how was the elections in your state, guys? All good, right? So I think many places there are unexpected results, right? But it's good. Whatever the decision has come out, I think it's good, right? And we should respect that. Okay, great. So people are slowly joining. Deepak bhai, kaise ho? Badhiya. Hi Singam. Hi Vasu Reddy. Okay, great. Hi. I'm good. People on LinkedIn, how many are there? Okay, people on LinkedIn are joining slow. So let's wait for some more people to join. And once you are joining, yes, unexpected results, right? That was right. No one expected कि यार ऐसा कुछ होगा results. The entire shift in the results of elections will happen. I think that is one of the biggest thing what India had got today, and I think people have proved that ki everything works on reality, right? It's not like कि आप कुछ कर रहे हो or people are just seeing that. Okay, so thanks a lot. Okay, good in Delhi elections. Good in Delhi. Also election results. Okay, great. Okay, thanks a lot, Shaim Akhtar. That's really great. Great. Hi. Okay, Angel. Hi. So yes. So what is there for today for you all? Right after so much long time, we have started this live. So I want to quickly share a few things to you. Right, what exactly we are going to do, what are the things that you are going to get from this weekend, right? So let me open my Microsoft Notes and let's see like what are the projects that you are going to get from this particular class, right? So I'm going to share you all. Yeah, I'm going to share the screen entirely. Right, Goenka, I will take your query in a little bit of time. Gokila, okay, I will take your query in a little bit of time. So initially, what we are going to do is what is there for you from this weekend. Okay, this weekend, what are you getting in this class? Okay, this DevOps and SRE 30 days of mentorship, right? And don't worry, I'll be taking all your queries. There is separate time for query, so just wait for some time, and this will be completely free of cost, like whatever you are going to get every time I come, I deliver the projects for you. So this time also I have decided to go with certain projects which are very very much helpful for you. So let's roll out and see like what exactly these projects are. So there will be 4 weeks. Week 1, right? Week 2, week 3, and week 4. Okay, and in each week, each of the project will be combinedly giving you as a output for your resume, right? This is very very much important for your resume. Few of the important things what you have to keep as a project, where your selection as a fresher, right, and your selection as an experienced will be coming onto the picture, right? Very very much important, right? I'm telling you, Manikanta, just wait guys, wait. Okay, so this is one thing, and the classes are starting from Saturday. Okay, this Saturday at 4 p.m. Okay, so I hope you all know, and this is one of the important thing. That is the reason like I have done this live today, just to tell you all like what exactly you are going to get in this 30 days of free class. And each of the project P1, P2, P3, P4, each of the project will be valued to your resume, right? You can take it to your resume and you can keep it. And one more important thing, this time I have planned for live come recorded classes on YouTube. So whatever you are seeing, it will be the combination of live. The first week will be live class, okay? The first week starting the class Saturday, it will be live class, and then the second week it will be recorded, the third week it will be live, and the fourth week will also be live. Okay, are you clear with all the things, like whatever we have discussed till now? And if you have joined till now for the first time, I want you all to check like what exactly we are doing from this page, and like the video, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you are very new to the channel, right? So shall we start with the projects, like what projects we are going to learn in this entire 30 days of course? Shall we start? Any questions till now, by the way? Like you guys have any questions you want to ask me कि प्रवीण यार I have doubt in this, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या बता रहे हो, कुछ ऐसे questions हैं? Any questions? Right, I'll be taking all your queries, but before that, any questions do you have? Whatever we have discussed till now, कुछ questions है आपको? कुछ नहीं? Right. So let me go ahead and tell you like what exactly the first project we are going to cover on this week. Okay. First project, DevOps and SRE. Okay. The first project we are going to cover in this week is basically the Saturday class and the Sunday class. Okay, and this is completely free, guys. You don't need to pay anything. It's just like you get an idea like what is DevOps, what is SRE, what is this mentorship all about. So that is the reason like I am just bringing you all for this live, right? So this Saturday you will be having the complete theory class on DevOps. Okay, on DevOps, various kinds of tools I have integrated in this theory. You just imagine about the tools which will help you, like your Jenkins, like your Maven, right? Like your Docker. So this weekend entirely you will have various set of tools which are integrated, and each of the tool, like if I drill down, basically are targeted to every fresher. So if you have any fresher friend who wants to learn DevOps completely new, you can bring them to this class and he can be the part of that. And not only this, you will be getting so many other tools also, and some of the tools will be your security tools. We'll be touching here security tools also, and we'll be touching Ansible also here. So basically it's a complete package of various tools, and I want to make sure that you get most of the things in this theory class of Saturday. Very very much important. The Saturday class you will have 4 p.m. And now you might think, Praveen यार एक class में इतना सारा कैसे पढ़ लेंगे? एक क्लास में इतना सारा, I will tell you what is there for this project. Correct? आप लोग समझ रहे हो, right? What is there for this project? And yes, absolutely it's going to be AWS DevOps. Okay, there is nothing else which is leaving behind. Like we are not going to touch AWS, or we are not going to touch DevOps. It's completely purely based on the AWS plus DevOps. We are going to learn AWS and DevOps also. AWS will be there as we go ahead, but this week there is more stronger content for you, and this entire content is based for your resume, guys. Okay, and I'll be telling you like कि यार resume में क्या रखना है और resume में रखने से कैसे फायदे होंगे आपको. ठीक है? Yes, the platform I am using is completely AWS. So every project, whatever the project you are seeing on the weekends, this will be purely done on AWS, guys. Okay, this will be purely done on AWS. Are you clear, everyone? Yes, no? Yes, Prachita, right? That is what we are doing. Are you all clear till whatever we have discussed? People on LinkedIn, are you clear? Right? You guys are watching me, I know. But I just wanted to make sure कि यार आप लोग को समझ में आ रहा है जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ, right? Whatever the language I am telling, and it's completely on AWS. ठीक है, Gokila? Is your query clear? Like you have asked something, some doubts. So I think I am good. So whatever I have told you, I think I am good. Okay. Okay. Right. So I think first project you are clear. The first project will be completely on AWS plus all your DevOps tools. So this will be forming your project one for this week. So this will be your DevOps tools plus AWS. Okay. So every tool we will try to install, we will do it as a project so that you can learn something, right? And you can work on yourself on the next coming weeks, like what is that you have to see, what is the plan you have to execute, and all those things you can see with the project one. Are you clear with the project one, guys? Yes or no? Yes, everyone is clear. शोभा ग्रेट ओके. हाँ अख्तर हम लोग बात करेंगे थोड़ी देर में, ठीक है. मणिमाला क्लियर राइट. ओके नाउ what is project 2 for you? Now the project 2 will be purely based on Linux, guys. ठीक है. Linux is very very important for any DevOps engineer, so this will be your project 2, right? What is there in the project 2 in Linux is basically we are going to cover the Saturday and the Sunday purely Linux. Okay, there are different concepts which I'm going to cover in Linux. Let me tell you, first we will start with basics of Linux, then we will go with Linux networking, then we will go with Linux security, right? And everything is free on my YouTube channel. You can just watch all the videos, all the recordings and everything, and as per your understanding you can learn. Okay, so Linux basics we will cover, Linux networking, Linux security, Linux disk management, right? Like how do you do the disk management in the Linux. Then you will also see Linux various kinds of OS management and OS patching, right, in our class. So basically the entire second week is purely on your Linux, and you will also see Linux various kinds of commands and utilities for your project. And there will be many things, and as a project for Sunday, right, you will be seeing like one of the topic I will select from this and I'll keep it as a project. So whatever you are going to see, right, as a Linux, you will be seeing here Linux basics, networking, security, disk management, OS management, patching, commands and utilities. This is one of the best time for you to upskill yourself in terms of Linux. So if you want any other topics to be covered in Linux, I'm happy to share that also. But as of now, there are many topics like I have given, right? There are many topics in here, but few of the topics which I remember as of now, you can just concentrate here. The next week, the first week on the project one is your entire CI/CD, which will be covering along with the Docker, Maven, your Ansible. The project 2 will be purely on the Linux, like Linux basics, Linux networking, Linux security, Linux disk management, Linux OS management, Linux patching, commands, utilities, and so many things in Linux, right? Yes or no? Are you clear? People on LinkedIn, are you clear like what exactly we are going to cover or what exactly we are talking? Okay, yes, Abdullah, right, you are clear. So other things, will every session will be recorded and posted on YouTube? Few sessions will be posted on YouTube, few sessions will be recorded, okay? And everything will be available on YouTube. Right, you don't need to worry, Lakshmi. It will be a YouTube class only. Everything will be available on YouTube for you, right? Okay, I lately joined, Bhavesh. I will just explain you for one more time. So the first, okay, actually I will tell you again. So all of you see here, the first class is starting from this is a 30 days class which I am conducting, and the first class will be starting on this Saturday at 4 p.m. Okay, this Saturday at 4 p.m. means the date you can see here. Okay, 8th of this Saturday you have this class. Okay, and 8th is very very much important. At 4 p.m. you have your first live class on YouTube. In this live class, what are the details you are going to get? Jenkins, Maven, Docker, JFrog, security, Ansible, and basically this is kind of your CI/CD project which we are going to cover in the first week. And the second week of project is basically on your Linux basics, networking, security, disk management, OS management, patching, commands, utilities, everything related to your Linux will be covering specifically in the coming week. So week by week, Saturday and Sunday, you will be having classes. Like if you consider this week, Saturday and Sunday, 8th of June. Okay, I have written here 8th of June. Then the Sunday class will be 9th of June. It will be a live class. Then it will be the week 2. Okay, so like this we will cover various kinds of things in our class, right? And we will make sure that whatever you are going to learn you will get it. Okay, now I will take few of your queries. If you have any queries, Suppose for experienced people, how much years of experience we can cover here? Praveen, I will say like you can cover till 5 to 10 years of experience, right? We are not targeting any manager roles here. We are only targeting like 0 to 10 years of experience. Okay. How do I get a remote job in USA, UK without moving there? They all want us to relocate. They all want us to relocate. If you are happy to relocate, relocate. Yeah. Even you tell me the opportunities, I will also relocate with you. Okay. Yes, only on weekends. Okay. Only on weekends. Okay. Any questions you have? Any questions you have, guys? Anything you have in your mind you want to ask me कि प्रवीण कैसे जाएगा आगे, क्या है, क्या plan है? Any other questions you have, you want to ask me, or you have some queries you can ask me, and I'll be definitely helping you with that. Okay, you also done Linux, no worries. Linux will be very helpful. You can learn here most of the important things. 2 hours per day, right? Azure DevOps also, I think, yes, Bootcamp 5 you have watched, right? So I have covered in Bootcamp 5 the Azure. I think that will help you. Yes, projects, Omar, I have told you already what are the projects we are covering. I have already told you. Mohammed, is it possible to get DevOps role from basic stuffs? What to do? No, basic stuffs you will not get DevOps role. You have to do some good automations also. Okay, so that is there in the week 3. I will tell you about that. About your offer for Java development position, sir. Okay, Julius. Yes, I have seen that. I will definitely. As of now, I'm just looking for Android also, right? So yes, 2 hours per week, Saturday and Sunday. 2 hours per week, Saturday and Sunday. In this bootcamp, any Python with Django project? No, we are not covering any Python with Django. I think that is not there for this time. Okay. Sir, is backend better for DevOps or DevOps as a beginner? First, start with as a backend engineer if you are really loving the coding. If you are not loving the code, then you can start as a DevOps. अख्तर, आप पूछिए मेरे को क्या डाउट है आपको, फिर मैं आंसर करूंगा उस चीज पे. Sir, could you please suggest how many experience we will cover if somebody experience is looking for a change domain? Yes, we are covering, Praveen, till 0 to 10 years of experience, right? And I think that is one of the good thing what we are targeting with this bootcamp. All the projects you can keep in your resume, that will really help you to achieve more. Okay. Right. Will you be providing interview questions? Yes, definitely. Interview questions and scenario-based questions will also be there. I will update on this like when we are rolling and all those things. That will be part of this bootcamp. Yes. Any certificates for each tools learned compulsory? No, not needed, Julius. That is not needed. Definitely, you don't need to have any certifications, any kind of things. You just need to concentrate on your work. That's it. Okay. On your resume, on your work, on getting the offers from various companies. Okay. Any questions from LinkedIn? If you have, you can just throw at me. I'll be happy to answer if you have any. Sir, as a backend, we can start from Spring Boot. Yes, that is a very good option. Start from Spring Boot. It will really help in knowing the things. Spring Boot is easy to understand. Even I have worked in Infosys in Spring Boot. It will help you. So no issues in that. Okay. Right. Any other questions you have? We move to the next part of the sections. Any questions you have? Any doubts you have? You can ask me. No questions? All good? Okay. How can I get jobs in UK, USA without moving? I don't want to relocate. See, then you have to check for remote roles, right? So there are good opportunities. You can check remote jobs from India. You can check. In this time, DevOps market is good for fresher. See, for fresher, no market is good. Even Android, Java, no market is good. But only thing is what I am telling, always learn, always constantly upskill, constantly learn, and wherever you get the job opportunity, try to fit in there. That is very much important, right? Looking for a switch in DevOps itself but not getting calls. Yes, Karan, little bit issues are there, but no need to worry, because we all are like looking for good job opportunities. So I think we have to wait patiently until our resume gets selected. But I would like to tell you, Karan, the thing is, like, you have to search for jobs in LinkedIn, Naukri, InstaHire, and founded.com. These 4 places are very much important for you to do the job search. And guys, those who have come to listen this live, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed, because any video which is releasing from this weekend, you will be able to see that live or recorded sessions updates on your phone only when you hit the bell icon. Okay, Sandeep, I'm not doing any reviews here as of now. Okay, so that will be important for you. Okay, great. I follow you on LinkedIn. Since you were in Walmart, you provide a lot of information there as well. Keep up the good work and keep helping poor fellows. No, it's not like poor fellows. Okay, RPD, I would definitely tell you. I think you are also doing some vlogs. Okay, so I would like to tell you that. See, I have started from Infosys, right? And even I struggled a lot. It's just like we have to constantly be active on whatever we are doing. That's it. I think that is the best part, what anyone can do, right? And even I started from very low package, right? So I think that is one of the thing where everyone should follow. Will there be any okay, will everything that's going to be learned be enough to apply for job? Yes, I think that is one part of question where everyone asks. The good answer what I will give is, it will be good and sufficient for your resumes to get selected. For clearing the interview, you need to do hard work. You need to do hard work with me. All right, that is very, very much important. So I think that is one. Yes, I am a fresher. I am a fresher, but I want to start my career in Azure DevOps. I am in correct path. Yes, you can learn Azure DevOps, you can learn AWS DevOps, you can learn any kind of DevOps, but make sure that whatever you are learning, learn completely. Don't leave it in between कि यार Azure DevOps पढ़ लिए, फिर हम लोग क्या है एंड्रॉइड पे चले गए, फिर हम लोग जावा पे चले गए. इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है सर, मैं नॉन आईटी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, एक स्टार्टअप कंपनी में एज ए इंटर्नशिप डेवऑप्स ट्रेनी हूँ, 1 ईयर से ज्यादा हो गया. प्रॉब्लम ये है ऑफिस में प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, डेवऑप्स बेसिक स्किल है, प्लीज आंसर. तो इसके लिए बेस्ट आंसर मेरा यही होगा अख्तर की, यू हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट 1 ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, right, as an intern in your company. So what I would suggest is start looking out for opportunities outside. अब ट्रेनी आप नहीं हो, 1 ईयर हो गया है, you start learning some projects from YouTube, my channel or anyone's channel, and start upskilling. और आपको उस कंपनी में ज्यादा दिन नहीं रुकना चाहिए. as per my suggestion, my thinking, my experience, you should start switching your place to other set of companies or look for some offers. Okay. Yes, we need to install all the tools for doing these projects. That is very much important, right? After 30 days, need to join or it will be done in 30 days is enough. I'll tell you, Aniket, like what is the plan and all. Sandeep, I am not doing any review. Okay, I am not doing any resume reviews. Okay, I'm also following you. Great. Akhtar, that is very helpful then. I think it's very, very helpful for you. I think you should be start applying for jobs in less time. Knowing Golang, Docker, Kubernetes, and development skill will give DevOps. Yes. Not only this, you need to know CI/CD, you need to know Jenkins, you need to know Linux, you need to know so many things for this, right? Very, very much important. I am in Nigeria. Can I apply for your offer in India? I will be employed even as an intern. Julius, let me go through your resume once. Okay. Backend roles are already completed, but let me go through your resume once. If I feel that, yes, Julius can work, I will definitely ping you. Right, Julius? I think that is good, right? So even that will be helpful for me. So for this course, you are offering any registration we need to do, or how many days for this course left? Okay, so those who want to join course, you have to just join this free bootcamp 7, right? So this is the place where you can join. If you have not joined, you can join here. No need to do any registration. No need to worry about anything. Just you have to join there, and whatever I'm giving you as a document or anything, you can be the part of this. So I'll just highlight this. All right. So this is the one you can join there. No need of any registration. So I'm 5 years experience, 2.5 years in Linux and 2.5 years as an environment analyst, similar to DevOps, but I'm not good DevOps, a good project to learn DevOps. So can I get hands-on from outside? Try to. Ashwin, stay tuned. You can get hands-on here itself. Right, no need to worry that much, right? No need to worry about that much. So I think that is not needed as of now. I would say you make your complete experience as DevOps 5 years into DevOps. Don't put like 2.5 years into Linux and 2.5 years as DevOps, similar to DevOps. Nothing like that. Keep like this. I am 5 years experienced DevOps and SRE engineer working in this particular project, and I have experience in Linux, networking, CI/CD, whatever you can say, like that. Okay. Is it okay to try obtain AWS Solutions Architect? No, don't go with AWS Solutions Architect unless and until like you have 5 years of experience or 5+ years of experience. It is very important. Okay. Solutions Architect is very big role where a person is really giving solutions for a problem, right? So Julius, I would say don't go for solutions architect position. Instead, do some Kubernetes or Linux. That will really help you. Yes, I'll be helping, Mahima. I'll be helping with installation of tools. I'll be telling everything. And if you have any of your friends, share this channel link and ask them to also join. It will help you. Okay. Yes, notes also I'm going to provide. I'm going to provide documents also. So I think that is very helpful, right? Julius can work, please. How can I submit my resume to you, sir? Okay, Julius, if you want to really work with me, so I will be giving you. Okay, I think you already have in my LinkedIn, right? If I'm not wrong, let's see. Uh, JULIUS. Yes, this is you only, right? Right. What I will do is you can just share your resume to me here. I will go to your resume and I will check, right? And I will help you. If your resume is meeting my criteria, I will definitely help you, right? Great, Ashwin. Thanks a lot. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's see like what is there for you in the week 3, right? So all of you see here in the week 3 specifically, I have kept the Kubernetes project. Okay, in this Kubernetes project, it will be very, very great to you. It will be very, very good to you to learn the entire Kubernetes in one go. Okay. So what we are covering in Kubernetes this time, I have brought something different. Okay. So Saturday and Sunday in week 3, you will see about Kubernetes networking. Okay. You will see Kubernetes networking this time. We will work with Kubernetes Calico concepts under networking. Okay. So I am telling you Kubernetes basics to advanced. Okay, you will see in this week 3, very, very much important because Kubernetes is one of the important factor for you to look at various aspects. And we will work on Kubernetes webhooks also this time. Like I have not told any time on my channel regarding the Kubernetes webhooks. This time we are focusing more on Kubernetes webhooks also. And this time we will also focus on troubleshooting of Kubernetes, right? Different types of troubleshootings we will cover here on this Kubernetes. And whatever the theory we are going to learn, the same theory we will be applying on to this Sunday project class also. So that is much needed for us to work on these kind of things, right? So I think that is very much helpful. Okay, Mohammed, that's great. That's great. So you all need to join this weekend. So I think for the week 3, if you are able to see like what are the projects, yes, and all of them will be between 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Right? This will be live sessions. Okay, starting from this Saturday. Okay, this Saturday in the sense 8th of June. Okay, so very, very much important. 8th of June. I want everyone to join this class at 4 p.m. Right, the class will be for 2 hours. We'll be discussing so many things. We'll be rolling out so many things. We'll be discussing, and then we'll be doing some hands-on project also live. I teach because I love interacting with you all, and that will be very helpful for you. So every Saturday at 4 p.m. for next 4 weeks, every Saturday and Sunday, guys, every Saturday and Sunday. Okay, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. This is important. So every Saturday at 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Very, very much important. Applying constantly and not receiving any calls as has promoted me to think if building a career in DevOps is even sustainable to survive, and thinking I should switch to other domains like data structure. Okay, Karan, if you are currently a DevOps engineer, let's assume that, I would suggest you to stay in the DevOps only. If you are a fresher, you can just migrate onto the various kinds of things from your other things also. That is fine completely. Okay. But if you are working in DevOps, then I would say stick to DevOps. Apply as many as jobs you can. That is very much important. Okay. Ramya is asking, hi, I'm a manual tester. Can you help me? Which is better, whether automation testing or DevOps? Please suggest me, guys. Ramya, always DevOps is good than automation testing. So I would suggest you work on DevOps, right? If you are a fresher, go with DevOps. If you are a experienced tester, I would suggest you switch to DevOps, which will help you actually, which will help you to upskill actually. Okay, right? Any more questions? Any more questions, guys? Okay. Hello, sir. I mean, I am an experienced in DevOps engineering for just 9 months, and I have registered for the AWS. Should I get back my money? Julius, if you can get back your money, that will be very good, right? Because what I am thinking is, solutions architect is for bigger people, right? It's not for 9 months internship or 9 months DevOps roles. So I think you should get back your money if they are giving, or else you can continue if you are interested. Okay. सर बैच 4 का प्रोजेक्ट रेज्यूमे में ऐड कर सकते हैं? हाँ, ऐड कर सकते हैं डेफिनेटली, राइट साहिम? प्लीज ऐड कर सकते हैं उस पे. Please give me suggest one thing. I am confused. I have 2 years of experience like Django, Vue, K8s, Docker, CI/CD. Yes, Asta, this is really good, right? You can actually roll out things. I think you are having good experience. What you need? Which type of profile I applied? Okay, you can apply for DevOps/Python engineer. So you can see, like, you can apply for this kind of roles, DevOps/Python engineer. So these kind of roles will be important for you, right? Yes, DevOps/Python engineering will be good for you. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm telling. I had mainframes experience for 6 years. Will this course help me to? Yes, that will be really helpful. I think that will be really helpful. At least you can divide your experience as 3 plus 3. Okay. In resume, yes, in resume, Astha, put like DevOps/Python engineer, right? That will help you. Okay, now let's go with the week 4, guys. Okay, what is there for you in week 4? What are the things that are there in our channel for week 4? Let's see. Okay, for week 4, we are particularly giving you the roles and responsibilities documents of all the above projects, right? So what we are trying to do is, whatever the projects you have done above, you will be keeping in your resume. I'll be giving you as a roles and responsibilities documents. You will be preparing your resume, and we will be having resume reviews, guys. Very much important, because whatever the projects we have done, we need to keep that also in our resume. Very, very much important, right? So will be having resume reviews, and followed by, in week 4, you will have mock interviews. So mock interviews will help you to upskill, to leverage your skills, to make sure that you are a good candidate. How to face the interviews, how to face the product based interviews, everything will be rolled out here. Clear, everyone? Right. Also, I think one more important thing here, what I am focusing is, this time I will be very much sharing you all the links in the Telegram, right? And in this Telegram, you will get various kinds of things like your documents, right? And your project details, and your live session details. So if you have not joined Telegram, you can join this Telegram. I think that will help you. Yes, Oladale, thanks a lot for joining. I think you have given us few suggestions. I have already intimated to the team, right? We will definitely work on that, right? Yes, great. Shruti is asking, hi everyone, are doing DevOps nowadays? I doubt there will be enough jobs. See, Shruti, there will be enough jobs means jobs are very much less, right, as compared to previous years. But we have to apply. We have to make sure that we get jobs, right? Hey, hi Debargaya. Okay, Debargaya is from batch 6. Okay, he has joined live, so that's great. Praveen, is this DevOps engineer role, right? Yes, Mohammed, completely DevOps engineer. I want paid interview preparation. Can you give me suggestion? Astha, if you need anything for your preparation in the paid way, you can join batch 7 on my website. Okay, you can just check. You can join as per your. Yes, Debagria, I know you. I know you. So this weekend we will meet Debagria on Saturday and Sunday, right? Hope your resume is ready, right? Okay, now we have talked so much, right? Tell me, are you clear with all the things, whatever we are covering in the next 4 weeks? Yes, no? Yes, no, guys? In the next 4 weeks, what are we covering? Everyone clear? Yes. Are you clear? Like, yes, Praveen, I am clear. The first week will be CI/CD, the next week will be Linux networking, the third will be Kubernetes project, and basically these are the projects which mostly people ask in the real time. Okay, so we'll be trying to complete all these things, right? Great. Okay, so I'll be sharing you. I'll be stopping the screen share now. I'll be inviting you all to talk with me. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So this is the link, right? You can join the StreamYard link and you can talk with me. So yes, please. Okay, you want a quick glimpse, so let me share a quick glimpse for everyone. Yes, that is important. So let me share a quick glimpse, like what exactly we are going to do. So guys, this is a 4 weeks free course for you. So the first week we are going to target about the project on CI/CD. Okay, the project 1 will be on CI/CD completely. The project 2 will be on Linux, okay, networking and all those things. The project 3 will be Kubernetes. The project 4, basically you will get some part as an assignment, and your resume reviews and your mock interviews are scheduled in the week 4. Along with that, this class is starting from this Saturday at 4 p.m. Okay, so you can join at 4 p.m. The links will be shared to the Telegram. So how to register, how to join, you have to just join the Telegram group. Okay, that's it, nothing else to do. Okay, right, so that's it. So let's talk with Safe. Safe has joined. Hi Safe.
Hi Praveen.
Hi, how are you? कैसे हो?
Yeah, I'm good, Praveen. How are you?
Good. I'm good. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I just completed my Azure 900 and 104,
Hmm.
and now I want to start my career in DevOps, Azure
Okay.
DevOps.
Okay.
So, what I want is like suggestion to from where to start and where to end.
You are only looking for Azure DevOps, or what is that exactly?
Yeah, like Azure DevOps or a DevOps engineer or
Okay.
anything which is related to DevOps.
Okay. So
So, I'm in a bit confusion.
I would like to tell you that you can start with CI/CD initially, Jenkins, all the basic DevOps tools as the integration in one stack. Then you can implement that into Azure. On Azure, what you have to do, you have to learn Azure VNets, your storage containers, your cluster setup, your networking, right? And make sure that you do some projects with Azure and your CI/CD. Also learn networking, which is very important. So how many experience you have, how many years of experience you have, Chef?
No, actually, I'm a fresher.
Oh, you are a fresher. So
Hello.
if you are a
Yeah.
fresher, yeah, Asta, just give me 1 second, huh?
Okay,
If you
sir.
are a fresher, I would suggest you, Safe, to keep 2 projects, one on Azure and one on complete DevOps tools, including Kubernetes also. I think that is best. You can have actually. Okay.
Okay, Praveen. Thank you.
Oh, great. Yeah, Asta, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes,
Actually,
Asta,
sir,
go
I worked on a. I have 2 years of experience,
ahead.
and
Okay.
I worked GitLab CI/CD. So, sir, actually, I confused. We have must be learn to Jenkins CI/CD because I
Huh.
have learned GitLab CI/CD. So
Huh.
it's
Okay.
necessary, sir.
आस्था,
Jenkins.
लेट मी टेल यू, बहुत कम कंपनीज गिटलैब यूज करती हैं, ठीक है? तो मैं आपको
Cause
बोलूंगा, आपके जो 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, आप थोड़ा जेनकिंस और क्यूबरनेटिस पे भी काम कीजिए, ठीक है? जेनकिंस अभी जो मैं प्रोजेक्ट बता दूंगा, आप एटलीस्ट
हाँ.
सैटरडे अगर ज्वाइन करोगे, सैटरडे संडे, आई थिंक आपको एक बेस मिल जाएगी, कैसे पढ़ते हैं,
So
क्या
free है.
क्या। हाँ, फ्री है। ये कोर्स कंप्लीटली फ्री है। ये 30 डेज़ का फ्री रहेगा। आपको कुछ जॉइन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। सिर्फ यूट्यूब जॉइन करना है सैटरडे 4 पीएम पे, और मैं पहले सैटरडे थियरी बताऊँगा आपको कि क्या है सीआई/सीडी, कैसा है, टूल्स कैसे इंटीग्रेट होते हैं। फिर संडे हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे उसपे, ठीक है?
Okay, so the means is what is difference between Jenkins and GitLab because it's provide like CI/CD pipeline.
Yes.
So
So
what
one
is
important
difference?
difference is like both are pipelines only, but GitLab एक एंटरप्राइज एप्लीकेशन है। जैसे आप मान के चलिए GitLab में आप कोड भी स्टोर कर सकते हो, और आप CI/CD YAML के साथ CI/CD भी बना
Right,
सकते हो। बट एक दिक्कत है GitLab में कि आप जैसे एक प्रोजेक्ट पे आप GitLab CI/CD बनाना चाहते हो, तो उस प्रोजेक्ट में जाके आपको GitLab YAML फाइल पहले डालना पड़ेगा,
right,
और उसके
right,
बाद
right.
आपको पाइपलाइन देखनी भी है तो आपको वो रेपोजिटरी ओपन करके फिर उस पे देखना
हाँ,
पड़ेगा।
build section
और
में जाके right.
इम्पोर्टेंट उसमें ट्रबल ये है ना गिटलैब में, कि अगर मैं दूसरों को एक्सेस देना चाहता हूँ गिटलैब का, ठीक है, सपोज मान लो रेपोजिटरी का एक्सेस देना चाहता हूँ, तो उसके पास मेरा पाइपलाइन का भी एक्सेस आ जाएगा, वो कुछ छेड़छाड़ किया तो मेरा पाइपलाइन ट्रिगर हो जाएगा गलती से। तो ये सब बड़ी बड़ी चीजें हैं जो कि जेनकिंस इजीली आपको सॉल्व करती है। ये एक डेडिकेटेड पाइपलाइन टूल है, तो आई थिंक वो
So
आपके लिए हेल्प
Jenkins sir product is free or not like GitLab
फ्री।
free?
गिटलैब फ्री नहीं है बाय द वे, ठीक है, वो
Because in which my company use GitLab, so that's
हाँ,
why I'm
आपकी कंपनी यूज कर रही है गिटलैब तो आपकी कंपनी पैसा पे कर रही है गिटलैब को, गिटलैब फ्री
right,
नहीं है।
right.
यूजुअली गिटलैब टेस्ट एंड ट्रायल के लिए फ्री है, बट एंटरप्राइज इज पेड ओनली, ठीक है, बट जेनकिंस इज फ्री। इवन सारी कंपनीज जेनकिंस यूज करती है तो फ्री वर्जन यूज करती है, ठीक है।
And sir, 1 years I worked in DevOps and second years I worked in Django and Vue. Okay,
हाँ,
Django for the APIs and Vue for the front end. So sir, I
हम्म,
confused which in which environment I
तो मैं बोलता हूँ
proficient.
आस्था, अभी के लिए आप पाइथन को छोड़ दीजिए फिलहाल, जैंगो को छोड़ दीजिए फिलहाल, आप पूरा कॉन्सेंट्रेट कीजिए डेवऑप्स में, ठीक है। मेरे को ये लगता है आपको थोड़ी अपस्किल होने की जरूरत है, तो आप पूरा
Hmm.
जैंगो अभी मत लेना, आप पहले डेवऑप्स पढ़ो अच्छे से, उसी का रेज्यूमे
Hmm.
बनाओ। जैंगो मत टच करो, जैंगो टच करोगे तो पाइथन में बहुत सारी चीजें आ जाएंगी आपको। आप पाइथन के बेसिक ऑटोमेशन करिए, 2 साल के जो एक्सपीरियंस के ऑटोमेशन रहेंगे वो करिए अभी, ठीक है।
So Django को strong नहीं करो क्योंकि Django यूज नहीं होती सर because APIs
ज्यादा यूज
वगैरह.
नहीं होता, ज्यादा यूज नहीं होता, ठीक है। अगर आपको
Okay.
लगता है कि आप जैंगो स्ट्रॉन्ग करके आप पाइथन पूरा आप कवर कर सकते हो तो आप जैंगो करिए फिर, ठीक है।
हाँ, एक ही प्रोफाइल पे प्रोफिशिएंट करूँ मतलब.
हाँ, मतलब एक ही को करिए, क्योंकि अगर ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आप नहीं, मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो जैंगो में भी तो आप परस्यू
हम्म.
कीजिए। अगर आपको लगता है नहीं प्रवीण मेरा आधा आधा नॉलेज होगा, तो मैं यही सजेस्ट करूंगा आप डेवऑप्स में पूरा रहिए, और डेवऑप्स में रहकर पाइथन सीखिए, पाइथन का ऑटोमेशन करिए।
सर फुल स्टैक डेवलपर की प्रोफाइल क्या होगी, मतलब उस पे भी
मत करो,
डेवऑप्स आते हैं
अभी
सर?
के लिए मत करो, अभी के लिए कुछ मत करो आज तक। आपका अच्छा खासा 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, आप डेवऑप्स में ही रहो और डेवऑप्स में
Sir,
मूव, ठीक है।
ओके सर, थैंक यू.
ओके, थैंक यू, राइट। हाँ बोलो जावेद।
sir, I have a little bit doubt that backend is better or DevOps is better as a fresher doing so.
As a fresher, always backend is good. But if you don't love coding, if you feel that ki yaar, I cannot do coding, I hate coding, then definitely DevOps is one good option for you.
Sir, I have done the sir Linux, sir, the basic of Linux and also shell scripting, sir, and also I have certified in cloud practitioner, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I was confused in these two stream only, sir.
Huh. So, do you love coding or not? Tell me.
Sir, partially I like, partially I don't like, sir.
Okay. So when we talk about partial things, I would suggest you stick to DevOps. If you feel that key, I will completely learn DevOps, then completely learn backend Java or Spring Boot. You then go with the coding profile. Then it will be easy for you. Okay.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Mahima, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Praveen. So I have currently 3 years of experience
Hmm.
where in the initial 1.5 years I was working in a support project. Though it
Okay.
was related to DevOps where but like not much was in use. I was only using Jenkins and a little bit of Linux for troubleshooting, etc.
Hmm.
And then I switched to another project. Now this project is completely based on integration, wherein I'm having like IBM App Connect, APG, and Dynatrace. I'm using Jenkins. I'm using Docker, Kubernetes. Not much work is there, so I'm
Oh,
totally confused between like whatever I have done till now.
okay. So what are you looking at? Like what?
I'm totally interested in DevOps only, but I'm not sure like how do I start now.
Okay, so don't worry. As this Saturday we are starting, right? You can
Mhm.
first join a few of the sessions, and I will be teaching from basics, so you don't need to worry about that. And it will be very good for you in understanding. Okay, I know that you have completely moved into little bit because of your project, the integration side, like APG you have told, right? So those kind of Dynatrace, anyways, is a part of DevOps only. I think you should first brush up on your basic skills and then prepare your resume accordingly. But I think integration is also good, महिमा, जैसे एपीजी हो गया या फिर आपने कुछ डायनाट्रेस बोला, और क्या टूल्स बोले थे आपने इंटीग्रेशन साइड पे?
और Postman है, Splunk है,
हाँ,
then App Connect is there.
हाँ, ये सब तो डेवऑप्स में ही आते हैं, ये सब मॉनिटरिंग एसआरई पे आ जाते हैं। ऑल ऑफ दीज
हाँ
टूल्स
हाँ.
आर SRE साइड. So if you are looking for job change, I would suggest you keep this as one project and whatever we are covering in this next 30 days, keep it as one
Mm-hmm.
project. That too will really give good role. And in your resume, mention title like DevOps/SRE engineer.
Okay.
Sir, can you also suggest the keywords in between for the project?
Keywords matlab, I am giving you the roles and responsibility document, so in that you will have the keywords like what exactly you need to keep and all those things.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Okay,
sir, for solving the query, sir.
no problem, thank you. Okay, so yes, Shamim, कुछ question है?
हाँ हाँ सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर आपका, आपने मुझे कॉल किया। मैं बहुत मेरा ड्रीम था सर आपसे बात करने का। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ सर, लिटरली सर। मैं थोड़ा नर्वस फील हो रहा हूँ, आपसे बात करने में, मुझे कभी मौका नहीं मिल रहा था बात करने के लिए। सर मैं बैच 4 का फॉलो कर रहा हूँ सर आपसे, जो बैच फोन का है ना आपके वेबसाइट से। सर मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये है सर, मैं एक नॉन आईटी बैकग्राउंड से हूँ, सिविल बैकग्राउंड से। फिर मेरे फ्रेंड लोगों में बात डाले कि तुम क्यों कर रहे हो इसमें, आईटी में स्विच हो सकता है करके क्या। तो फिर मैं डेवऑप्स के सर्च करना शुरू किया। ओके, सो मैं बिल्कुल बेसिक से स्टार्टिंग, मैंने जीरो से शुरू किया था पढ़ना। मैं खुद से यूट्यूब में कुछ पढ़ा, उसके बाद से फिर कुछ मेहनत करने के बाद से फिर मैं एक स्टार्टअप में सर ये एज इंटर्नशिप करके गया सर। अभी प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सर जब से मैं 1 ईयर वो स्टार्टअप कंपनी में हूँ, 1 ईयर हो गया है, बट वहाँ रियल टाइम का सर प्रोजेक्ट्स नहीं है, क्योंकि कैसे ये टास्क डेली मेरे को मिल रहा है, और रियल टाइम प्रोजेक्ट्स में नहीं हूँ सर। इसलिए मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि 1 ईयर हो गया है, आपका बैच 4 का ये प्रोजेक्ट्स भी, ये जो क्लासेस है ना सर बैच 4 का, उसे भी फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, पढ़ भी रहा हूँ उससे, और रियल टाइम के मेरे पास ये नहीं है सर। तो क्या कैसा कर सकते हैं सर आगे फॉरवर्ड?
आपके ऑफर लेटर में क्या लिखा है? इंटर्नशिप ही लिखा है क्या?
नहीं सर, सॉफ्टवेयर ट्रेनिंग करके लिखा हुआ है।
अच्छा, सॉफ्टवेयर ट्रेनिंग करके लिखा है। तो मैं आपको एक सजेस्ट करूंगा, आप लिंक्डइन, इंस्टाहायर और फाउंडेड, ये 4 पोर्टल में जॉब स्टार्ट कीजिए। एक अच्छा रेज्यूमे बनाइए। अगर आप जो भी प्रोजेक्ट किए हैं मेरे क्लास से या आपके जो रियल टाइम आप काम से किया है, 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स डालिए उसमें, और अपने रेज्यूमे को अपलोड कीजिए दूसरे पोर्टल्स में, ठीक है? इससे क्या होगा, आपको एक एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा कि एक्चुअल में कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं। और आप देखना बैच 4 में ऑलरेडी इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे उसमें, वो सब प्रिपेयर करना, रेज्यूमे बनाना, टेम्पलेट भी होंगे, रेज्यूमे टेम्पलेट्स उसमें देखना। फ्रेशर का होगा एक रेज्यूमे टेम्पलेट येलो ग्रीन कलर का, उसको देखना और उसकी तरह बनाना और अपलोड करना। और नेक्स्ट 15-20 डेज में देखना कि कॉल्स आ रहे हैं, क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है। अगर कॉल्स नहीं आए तो मानना कि आपको और थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि 1 ईयर इज वेरी लेस, तो एटलीस्ट 1.5 ईयर्स हो जाएगा तो इजी हो जाएगा उनको सेलेक्ट करने में, ठीक है? तो ऐसे करके एक करना है कि आप देखो, आप नॉन आईटी से हो, आप डेवऑप्स इंटर्नशिप पे आए, तो इससे क्या होगा, आप जैसे आपके विल पावर से आपने वो ट्रांजिशन किया, तो अभी भी थोड़ा समय दो। ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ जल्दी में भागना है, ठीक है? थोड़ा आराम से, क्योंकि जो भगवान ने दिया है उसको थोड़ा लेके चलते हैं। 1.5 ईयर्स 20-30 डेज में कुछ कॉल्स नहीं आया, देन आई एम टेलिंग, अगर कॉल्स आते हैं, यू सेट इंटरव्यू, गिव द इंटरव्यू, क्लियर द इंटरव्यू, फिर आप ऑफर लेना। बट अगर कॉल्स नहीं आते तो देन यू थिंक लाइक मेरे को थोड़ा वेट करना पड़ेगा इसी कंपनी में, ठीक है?
जी। और सर ये एक चीज ये कहना, बोलो सर, एक चीज ये कह रहा था सर कि थोड़ा इंटरव्यू देने, मतलब एक कॉल आया था सर, मैं नौकरी.com में अप्लाई करा था एज अ इंटर्नशिप करके। मैं प्रोफाइल किया हूँ, बनाया हूँ नौकरी.com में एज अ इंटर्नशिप करके। कॉल आया था मेरे को, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस के लिए पूछ रहे थे। मैं बताया कि मैं 1 ईयर का इंटर्नशिप किया हूँ एक स्टार्टअप कंपनी में। तो वो बोले ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल शॉर्टलिस्ट होने के बाद कॉल बैक करेंगे करके। उसके बाद से फिर कोई रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं आया सर।
तो
सर 1 ईयर अभी सर रियल टाइम में रिज्यूमे में 1 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस अगर डाल सकते हैं या फिर इंटर्नशिप डालेंगे, कौन सा बेहतर रहेगा सर?
एक्सपीरियंस ही डालो रेज्यूमे में, कहीं मत लिखना कि इंटर्न हो करके, ठीक है? पहले आपको सेलेक्ट करने दो। अगर तुम सेलेक्ट हो जाते हो सारे राउंड्स पे, ठीक है, तब ऑफर लेटर भेजोगे, तब तक पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा टाइटल इंटर्न है। और अगर वो लोग पूछते हैं कि तुम्हारा टाइटल कैसा इंटर्न है अभी भी, तो बोलना कि मैं स्टार्टअप में काम कर रहा हूँ, उन्होंने जो ऑफर दिया था यही है, उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे को 3 मंथ्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया था, फुल टाइम जैसे ट्रीट कर रहे थे। तो ऐसे करके कुछ बोलना फिर, ठीक है?
ओके सर। और सर एक चीज और छोटी सी बात है,
लास्ट पूछो।
हाँ सर, वो जो आप जो पढ़ाते हैं ना सर जेनकिंस में, जो इज अ ट्रेन, जेनकिन इज अ ट्रेन एज अ, और जो
हाँ
बॉगी जो कंपार्टमेंट, वो बहुत अच्छे है सर, वो मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगा। वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था इंटीग्रेशन स्टार्टिंग में। हमारे ऑफिस
करेक्ट।
में जेनकिंस नहीं पढ़ाते, हमारे हमारे ऑफिस में ये गिटहब एक्शंस यूज करते हैं
अच्छा।
फॉर CI/CD के लिए। तो
हाँ
वही
हाँ
मैं जेनकिंस आपसे ही सीख रहा हूँ, वो बहुत अच्छे कॉन्सेप्ट मेरे को सबसे समझ में आ रहा है सर, वो
हाँ।
कंपार्टमेंट वगैरह ये वो। और एक चीज ये है सर, आपसे आप जो सर सब कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट रहते हैं, थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी एक टच दिया करिए सर।
अच्छा
वो
ठीक है।
कुछ चीजें ऐसी होती है कि हाँ, हाँ
हाँ
जी जी
ठीक है,
जी
बढ़िया। थैंक्स अ
सर,
लॉट यार,
थैंक
बहुत
यू
अच्छा
सो,
लगा।
थैंक यू सो सर, आपकी दुआ है सर मेरे तरफ से, थैंक यू सो मच।
ऑल द बेस्ट। ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू। हाँ,
थैंक यू सर।
okay, that was Akhtar. So yeah, someone was telling ki someone has asked. Okay, Shruti is telling Mahima has asked. Okay, Manimala is asking like, do companies accept this kind of self-learning projects, having company experience? How we can manage this? So Manimala, see, companies, we will not tell companies ki we have done self-learning projects. If you are working in a company, all your experience you will convert it as a real-time experience from the projects. Okay, we will not tell upfront ki yaar, I have not worked, I have just learned from somewhere. Okay, so that will be like bad, but we have to do that only. Okay. Okay, Shreyans is there. Okay, Shreyans, yes, सुनाई दे रहा है श्रेयांश? बात करो। हाँ बोलो, कैसे हो?
ठीक है सर, एक क्वेश्चन था सर।
हाँ बोलो बोलो।
सर, क्वेश्चन ये था कि मैं 12 ईयर एक्सपीरियंस इन BPM डेवलपर। इट इज अ वाइज डिसीजन टू स्विच टू लाइक DevOps.
हाँ, 12 years experience in which domain?
Actually, I'm working in BPM, like you can say like not Pega, but similar to Pega, we have Appway BPM plus Java I'm working, and SQL. So those things I'm working, and I got some offer, but due to some location issues, I didn't switch to TCS and some other company. Now the problem is the tool in which I'm working, वो पूरा डिग्रेड हो गया। वो क्या हुआ, उसको FNG ने खरीद लिया, खरीदने के बाद वो पूरा टूल ही डिग्रेड कर गया। तो क्या ये वाइज डिसीजन होगा कि मैं डेवऑप्स में मूव कर जाऊं?
हाँ, मैं आपको बताता हूँ श्रेयांश, एक्चुअली ये है ना, डेवऑप्स एक सबसे, मेरे को जितना तक लगता है एक इजी ट्रैक है, जैसे एक्सपीरियंस को चेंज करने का। अनलेस एंड अनटिल अगर आपके ऑफर लेटर में कुछ ऐसा मेंशन नहीं है कि आप कुछ ऐसे मतलब सपोर्ट रोल पे हो, ऐसा कुछ, तो आई थिंक आप नहीं ना, तो आप क्या
ऐसा
करो ना। हाँ, तो
मेरे
आप क्या
ऑफर में आई थिंक कुछ नहीं लिखा हुआ है, CTS के ऑफर लेटर में कुछ लिखा नहीं है।
तो मैं बोलता हूँ, आप 12 इयर्स हो तो आप 9+3 या 8+4, तो 8 इयर्स में आप क्या करना है ना, एक ही प्रोजेक्ट रखना, और जो नेक्स्ट 4 इयर्स पे 2 प्रोजेक्ट रखना, बाहर से सीख के या फिर मेरे क्लास से सीखे या फिर जो वीकेंड में पढ़ा रहे हैं उससे सीख के। और वैसे मैं रोल्स एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी डॉक्यूमेंट भी दूंगा, तो उससे क्या होगा, वो डॉक्यूमेंट का डेटा लेके आप अपने रेज्यूमे में रखना, और जब जॉब सर्च कर रहे हो तो आप यही लिखना कि आई हैव 12 years of experience in software industry with 4 years of dedicated experience as working on DevOps projects and leading a team। तो उसमें ये होगा कि आपको कोई मैनेजर का रोल देने के लिए आगे आएगा। 12+4 हो, सॉरी 8+4 हो या 9+3, आपको अभी मैनेजर के रोल्स मिलेंगे, राइट, या लीड के पोजीशंस मिलेंगे। तो ऐसे करके हमको उसको चेंज करना है, ठीक है।
और एक क्वेश्चन और था सर, जैसे कि मैंने मेरे को लेट आपका इन्फॉर्मेशन आया, मैं बहुत दिन से सर्च कर रहा था कि कोई मुझे मिले जो मुझे गाइड करे, तो मेरे एक फ्रेंड ने हैदराबाद में आपका नंबर दिया, तो मैं बैच 7 का जो आपका वीडियो है हे डेवऑप्स पे, उस पे मैं गो थ्रू कर स्टार्ट कर दिया। आई थिंक मैंने आपको मेल भी किया था, आपने रिप्लाई किया था। तो हाँ, तो मैं उसको गो थ्रू कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा ना, जैसे कि प्रोजेक्ट सेटअप में या कुछ अगर इश्यूज आएंगे तो आपसे कनेक्ट कैसे करेंगे?
हाँ, तो 2 चीज है, एक तो ईमेल है और एक फीड सेक्शन आपने देखा क्या, जहाँ
हाँ
लोग
हाँ
हैं
देख
वहाँ पे? हाँ,
हाँ
वहाँ पे
देखे।
आप पोस्ट कीजिए, अगर स्क्रीनशॉट में एरर आता है, आपको काम करते वक्त एरर आता है, तो उस पे पोस्ट कीजिए। उस पे है, हमारी टीम है, वो हेल्प करेगी, डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि आप कितना क्या मैसेज कर रहे हो, क्या है, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर, तो थैंक यू सर फॉर ऑल योर हेल्प, एंड मैं
अच्छा
स्टार्ट करता हूँ अब।
हाँ,
बस यही है कि मेरा कैरियर थोड़ा सा स्टैक कर गया है, और मेरा टूल अगर चला गया तो फिर आई थिंक, वैसे मैं अच्छा परफॉर्मर हूँ, पर मेरा बैड डिसीजन और कुछ फैमिली इश्यूज क्या मैं स्विच नहीं किया, और अब मेरे को चैलेंजेज आ रहे हैं, तो उसीलिए मैं डेवऑप्स में। तो ये वाइज डिसीजन है सर डेवऑप्स में जाना?
वाइस है, बेस्ट है, उससे अच्छा तो और कोई रोल नहीं है जो अच्छा पैकेज, मतलब आपको दो चीज है, एक लक फैक्टर भी चाहिए, यू नीड अ लक फैक्टर एंड यू नीड हार्ड वर्क ऑल्सो. सो ये अगर ये दो हैं तो आई थिंक दैट इज बेस्ट.
ठीक है सर, मैं अपने आप को पूरी ताकत से लगा रहा हूँ इसमें.
बढ़िया बढ़िया, ऑल द बेस्ट. ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
ओके ग्रेट, थैंक यू. So that was Shreyansh. It's really nice talking to see you all people. Like you guys have various kinds of issues in life, but still everyone is wanting to upgrade themselves, right? That is one of the important thing. And even I have so many issues, but still I came here for you to do this live, to inform you that from Saturday we are starting this classes, and I want to see you all there joining, right? Thanks a lot, Shruti. Thanks a lot for your good comment. How should one approach job switch? Currently, I have 1 year experience. I think, see, Sunny, very simple. 1 year experience you can get easily. I think you have told OpenShift, Kubernetes, CI/CD, CKA certified. So I think that should not be an issue. But only thing is, yaar, आप सब 4 platforms में active रहे, LinkedIn, Naukri, InstaHire, Founded.com. I think that is one of the best thing which you guys have to do. Sir, I have 10 years of experience as desktop engineer. Can you please suggest where can I start, AWS DevOps or Azure? Start with AWS DevOps. If you don't know programming language, that's completely fine. Start with AWS DevOps. Just stay focused on your things, right? That is helpful. Azure, don't touch as of now. Start with AWS because AWS support is more. Okay. I want to join new live batch beginning. Can you Krishna, just wait for some time. We will roll out that details also. It will help you. Okay. So yes, if you have joined new to my channel, सब्सक्राइब एंड लाइक एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. एंड भाई दोस्तों को बुला लो कि सैटरडे से क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. 4 PM से क्लासेस हैं एंड वी ऑल विल बी continuously working towards our goal. And please bring your friends also onto this channel. Ask them to attend the live sessions so that it's helping them also. Okay. So thanks all for joining. It's really great. Nice talking to you all. So see you in the next class. And I'm very much excited. I'll be preparing some of the documents, and those who want to join this course or this bootcamp, Telegram links are there in the chat. It will be available. You can open any video. Telegram links will be there. You can join from that Telegram link. If you don't see any Telegram link, the link on the YouTube will be pinned, and I have given again. You can click on this link and it will route you to the Telegram link. Okay. Herbert, I will update you a little bit. We are working on that, so I will definitely update you, right? Okay, great. So thanks a lot for joining, guys. It's really good. After a long time, I think I'm doing this live, and I love to talk with you all. So that is the reason, like, I have come live today. So make sure that you are joining, and thanks a lot for everyone joining here in this live. See you all, and whatever you have elections completed. So I think everywhere it's like huge people partying. Some are very low, some are very high. So that is there. And thanks all for joining. Take care. Yeah. Did you say we don't need just to obtain certificates for each tool? Learn? No, you don't need certificates to learn for each tools. Okay, Julius. Again, I am telling, certificates are not needed at all. Your skill matters the most. Okay. If you want to really earn certificate, I would suggest go with Kubernetes or Linux. These two are important. Okay. Right. Thank you all. I'm ending the stream, and see you all. If your friends wants to join this classes, ask them to join the Telegram group also, and see you all in next class. Thanks all for joining. Right. Thanks. Take care.